Scatterplots display data as data points at the intersection of x and y numerical values. Unlike the many other chart types in Izenda, there is no label axis to group the value data together. This video will cover how scatterplot charts are best used, created, and some advanced features to optimize your scatterplot. Like any Izenda visualization, the user has access to data sources selected for the report on the left side of the screen. There are 5 distinct boxes in the configuration area for this chart type: title, description, value for x-axis, value for the y-axis, and value labels. Value labels takes the place of the separators box offered in most visualizations for what will be displayed within the scatter plot as a plotted point. Scatter plots are great for showing a trend between quantitative data points. In this case, on the x-axis box, we'll put line profit and order ID in the y-axis. This will show any trend between the number of orders and the total profit across all orders. Like any other chart type, selecting a data point in the configuration area allows for formats or functions to be changed. Here, line profit will be a sum and order ID will be a count. Nothing has been plotted as of yet, because there are no value labels to be represented in the chart. If a qualitative label is added, such as a field of states, points will be plotted on the chart to represent each of the states in the data set. For this chart, any point further to the right represents a higher amount of sales, while the higher the point is represented, the more orders are represented. In this case, we can also add additional value labels if we want to represent additional qualitative points for our x and y axis values. The Report Part Properties panel also offers some unique configuration options. Most notably, there is a built-in zoom functionality on the scatter plot to allow users to hone in on specific values by interacting with the chart itself. Here, we can set our zoom to xy. Now, if we drag a square on the scatter plot, the area that has been created by the square will now come into focus. Once we are done zooming into the data points, the Reset Zoom button can be clicked to transition back to the original zoom level. For more tutorials on Izenda functionality and additional information on the platform, please watch our additional videos and visit our website to learn more.